Accelerated Truck Service keeps you on the road. Southland International Trucks are the premier truck service and repair center in Alberta. Getting the service you need fast means you can get back on the road fast. Southland offers accelerated services and diagnostics using state-of-the-art equipment and experienced technicians. No matter what kind of truck you have, join our accelerated service program and get a write-up in 15 minutes or less. Our highly skilled technicians evaluate your truck within 2 hours while checking for part availability to ensure that the work can be completed quickly. You will be notified within 2 hours to help you make an informed decision about the work that needs to be done and the impact on your business. It is hard to find a service center that has the experience, the skill, and the commitment to move your truck in and out of repair quickly without sacrificing quality. Ask about accelerated truck service today at Southland International Trucks.